Welcome back to today's daily Sudoku. Let's get straight into it. So, as normal, we're going to look across and up and down each row and column just to try and get a few numbers in. So we'll look at the ones first. We've got ones, no ones in the top at the moment. And yeah, I think we're going to look down the bottom. 1, 1. So this here must be a 1 because this one can't be the 1. Then going up, we've got 1, 1. So one of these two must be our 1. Let's just write those in as small numbers so we don't forget. Okay, so this here can't be the 1. This here can't be the 1. This can't be the 1. And that one can't be the 1. So this here is our 1 across the top. And then 1. So one of these two here must also be the 1. Again, we don't know which that's going to be just yet, so we're gonna just hold off on that. So I think that's all the ones put in. Let's move across to 2s. We've got 2, 2 going up the right hand side, so one of these two must be a 2 here or here. Then we've got all the 2s in the middle row. Bottom we've got, okay, this one here must be our 2 because we've got 2s coming down in the middle, so it has to be one of these, but it's going to be that bottom one. So then going across here, we could have a 2. Okay, so we've got a 2 here or here. However, this one must be the 2. Pause the video, just have a look and see if you can figure out why this one must be the 2. Give you a couple of seconds. So, because there can't be a 2 here because of this one, there can't be a 2 here because of the one here, and this one can be the 2, but this one can't because of the one over here. So we're left here with the number 2 being in this one here. Excellent. Then we can go up the left hand side, 2, 2. So one of these two must be the 2 here or here. Excellent. That's all the 2s in as well. Let's move on to numbers 3. Okay, so just coming down this right hand column, we've got 3, 3. So this one here must be our 3. Going down the middle column, we've got 3, 3, this one or this one, can't be the bottom one, so we're going to have the top one here. And then going across the middle row, 3, 3, so we're going to have one of these 3 being the 3s. We're going to come back to that in a second. So here we've got 3, 3, so one of these two must be our 3, here or here. Across the top, 3, 3, one of these two must be a 3. Now the reason I said we're coming back to that is because this can't be the 3 and this can't be the 3, so this one here must be the 3. I spotted that just before I was going to say it, so I just wanted to make sure we sort of understood the logic behind that as well, because I want you all to understand sort of what we're doing as well here. Perfect, so we've got 3s in, no more 3s to go in, we've got 4s now. So 4, 4, this one here must be our 4, it's the last one. Then going across the middle here in the top row, so this here could be a 4 and this one here could be a 4 because we can't have one in the middle. And then over here we can have a 4 here, here or here. I'm not going to write those in for now. I think we're just going to wait on that and see if anything else comes out. So same here, we can have a 4 here or here and here or here, which means this one must be the 4 because these two here can't be the 4. So in that row, this is the only place the 4 can be. So we've got 4, so one of these two is now going to be the 4 as well, here and here. So going back across the top, we've got 4, 4. Okay, so now one of these two must be the 4 because we've ruled out that as a possibility. Excellent, so I think that's all the 4s in now. Yep, okay, let's move on to 5s. Let's see, anything else with 5s? So I have just spotted something else. It's not 5s, but it's a 7. So this here, because we've got 2 in this box and 1 in this box here of 9, there's a 7 in this box here, which means none of these two can be a 7, and there's no 7s down this row, which means this here must be the 7. Okay, and that leaves us one number at the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 9. Okay, so always do watch out for sort of what I call easy ones that are just sort of they're easy wins for you to just try and spot. So like here, for example, there's two numbers missing. It's an 8 and a 9. There's a 9 at the bottom there, so this must be the 9, and that means that must be the 8. Okay, that's what I'd refer to as an easy win that you can just sort of spot fairly quickly. Like, for example, this number here must be a 7, because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, missing 5, 7, and 9, but there's a 7 in this box, so these two numbers can't be the 7, so that's the 7. There's a 9 at the bottom right here, so this must be the 9, and this must be the 5. Okay, so it's just sort of looking for things like that, like in this column here, two numbers missing, there's no 8, but there's an 8 in the box at the top, so this must be the 8, and the only number that's left, I think, is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6. Perfect. Okay, only one number left in these two boxes here, and this box and this box. I'm sure someone's shouting at me to fill them in, but we'll do that now. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, missing a 6, so that's our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, missing an 8. Over here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, missing a 5. And down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, missing an 8. Perfect. Okay, so that's quite a few numbers filled in. Let's see, can we go anywhere else now? So we've done most of those numbers. I think what we're going to have a look for is the other number here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 missing, 5, 6, 7. So this one here can't be the 7, so that's our 4. This one here must be the 7 because there was a 7 below just here in this bottom box. Okay, perfect. So that means that's the 4, so the 4 must be in this box now, and then down here as well. So that is all the 4s in. As you can see, we can no longer place any 4s. Perfect. Okay, let's see where else we can go now. We're missing a 1 and a 9, I think, here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 is in that row already along the top, sorry, next to the 5 and the 8. So this must be the 9, and this must be the 1, leaving only one place left for the 1 in this box here. Excellent. Flying along now. Across the top, we have got 1 missing a 2, a 3, and a 7, I believe. There's a 7 here in this box. That can't be the 7. This can't be the 7, so this must be our 7, leaving this is a 3, and this is our 2. Only one number in that top right box now. 1, 2, 3, 4, missing a 5. Excellent. Now, I think we've got only 1, 2 possible. Yeah, 2, 2. So this must be the 2 up here. Only 2 numbers left in that row now, and this box here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, missing a 5 and a 6. This must be the 5, and this must be the 6. Just by looking across in each of the rows, there's a 5 in the right-hand box up over here. Perfect. Okay, so one number missing here now. We've got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. So it's an 8. And only 2 numbers in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So missing a 6 and a 9. There's a 6 in this row, so that must be the 9. And a 6 must be here. Excellent. This must be our 3. That's all the 3's in. Just a 5, 6, and a 7 to go. 2 ways of doing this. This is the last number in the column. This is the last number in the row. So we've got a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing a 6, so that's our 6. Down here we're missing the 7, and down here we're missing the 5. Excellent. And that is the whole Sudoku finished. Right. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe for more content on this. And see you in the next one.